It's Sunday, wings on the table, game about to start, and your phone lights up. The school is calling. Your heart drops. You hear, an image was shared. Your child's name came up. What do you do first? Okay, breathe. We've got a simple playbook for the next few hours. Today, I'll walk you through rights, first steps, scripts, and how to keep those game day routines that steady your family. Welcome to Danni's Den. Let's chat. Quick content note. I'll use careful, non-graphic language and stick to practical steps. If anything I say sounds like legal advice, remember to check locally. Rules vary by state. First point, laws are messy and they vary by place. Some states treat teen-shared explicit images as a serious criminal issue. Other states route cases into juvenile diversion or school discipline. Schools also have rules, and staff sometimes must report what they see. That can bring administrators or even police into the picture. So don't assume the worst, but do treat the call seriously. Ask the caller for specifics and ask them to put it in writing. Who, what, when, and what they'll do next. At home, start soft. You are the safety net here. Say something simple. I'm here to keep you safe. Tell me what happened from the start. That frames you as a team. Ask open questions. Not, did you? But tell me what happened. Who else knows? Who sent what? Keep your tone calm. Avoid blame in that first conversation. It makes kids shut down. If your teen is upset, small comforts help. Water. A quiet seat. Say, we'll handle this together. That little safety signal matters more than a lecture at that moment. Document, document, document. Don't delete messages. Take screenshots that show timestamps. Save backups. Note names, roles, dates, and times of anyone you speak with at the school or with police. Why? Because that paper trail helps later, whether it stays in the school or becomes a legal case. And a quick note, don't try to edit or alter devices. That can create bigger legal problems. If the school wants to interview your child, ask for a scheduled time and to be present. You can say, we'd like to be there for the interview, please. That's reasonable and protective. If law enforcement shows up or calls, you can politely say, we want to speak with an attorney before answering questions. You can also say, I do not consent to a warrantless search of my child's phone. These lines buy time and protect rights. When to call a lawyer. If police are involved, if formal charges are possible, or if the school threatens suspension or expulsion that could affect records down the road. Even a quick consult can be helpful. Let's put the legal stuff into short, usable lines you can actually say. To the school, thank you for letting me know. Please send the details in writing and let me know next steps. We'll cooperate, and I'd like to be present for any interview. I want to protect my child's rights. We will speak with an attorney before answering questions, and I do not consent to a search without a warrant. Co-parenting under stress. Keep messages neutral and focused on stability. Try, let's keep Sunday for the kids and handle the school matter privately. We'll talk before making changes to the weekend. If tempers flare, use the reset line. We both want what's best for the kids. Let's pause and get a professional opinion before deciding. It pulls you out of blame and back into planning. Don't underestimate rituals. Game day routines, Eagles Sundays, Yankees nights are anchors. Even if you shorten the game time, keeping the ritual says the family is still here. Quick, low-drama ritual. Pre-game playlist. 15 minutes of neutral R&B from the late 90s or early 2000s. Put it on, ask which song they like, and let conversation come naturally. Music lowers defenses. Teaching kids consent and boundaries matters more than rules alone. Give them short scripts. No, I'm not comfortable with that. Please don't send that. And I'll tell a trusted adult if someone pressures me. Role play once in a calm moment. It sounds awkward, but it helps a teen respond clearly when pressured in real time. Make it short and practical. On monitoring, prefer a family agreement over covert surveillance. Tell your teen what you will check and why. That honesty preserves trust and prevents impulsive breaches that can backfire. Okay, quick checklist you can save on your phone. 1. Stay calm and talk with your teen. 2. Ask the school for written details and preserve documentation. 3. Do not delete messages or alter devices. 4. Request parent presence for interviews and say you want an attorney if police are involved. 5. Call a local juvenile or family attorney if charges or formal discipline are likely. A couple of real-world tips. Screenshots should show timestamps and sender info. Keep the originals intact. Save names and times of school staff you spoke to. These small steps save headaches later. And a tiny bit of practical humor from experience. Don't let this derail the wings. Keep the food on the table if it helps. Rituals are small acts of normalcy that can matter a lot. Final thought. You don't have to fix everything tonight. Stabilize the immediate day, protect privacy, document facts, and then bring in the right advisors. Local counsel can answer jurisdiction questions. Emotional fallout needs patience and small gestures of trust. If this episode helped, subscribe so you don't miss our weekly mix of law, love, parenting, and sports. If you have a specific legal issue, send me a direct message or check the show notes to book a free 30-minute consultation. Let's chat. Thanks for spending these 10 minutes with me. Keep that checklist handy, keep the music ready, and keep the conversation open. See you next time at Danny's Den.